So today I want to show you a couple finger picking patterns, all right? Very simple. And they're Beach Boys songs. One is called Love and Mercy, and the other one is called Surfer Girl. And basically, I'm going to ask you to hold some chords and pick them. So you have two different ways of picking them. We're going to try picking with a pick. We're going to try picking with our fingers, all right? So the coolest thing about picking in general is it's a real barometer as far as how strong your hand is on your left side. So if you're picking well, let's say I'm playing an A chord, you can hear each note nice and clean. Same thing if I'm finger picking. But if it sounds like if I'm not holding hard enough, you'll hear a lot of that. Or even one string, right? So I'm not holding hard enough there. So this song, Love and Mercy, really pretty. It's in 4/4. You're going to play something a little bit like this. You're going to go 1 and 2 and I'm going to have you pick up on that fourth beat. So it's going to go, or the and of 2. So 1 and 2 and, okay, that's an A chord. I'm barring. You can also play it like this, 1 and 2 and. Now you're going to have to jump right to an E with the G sharp in the bass. And this is a cool chord. So you have two choices for the E with the G sharp in the bass. I'm going to say you can either you're going to put your third finger on the E string and your fourth finger on the G string. Is that right? G string, yeah. And first finger is on the D string. You can either play it like this. You got to skip the A. B string you're going to play up. Or if you feel strong enough and flexible enough, you're going to put your second finger on the E string. Your third finger on the G string, and your fourth finger on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay? 1 and 2 and. So here we go, Love and Mercy. I'm going to play it nice and slow. G with E with the G sharp. Now F sharp minor. On that chord, you can do two different things. You can either play the F sharp minor, that E minor shape moved up 2 frets. And you can play like this, and we're going to just skip over that A string. And this is really going to test our finger strength right here to see if we're barred hard enough. Or you can play it like this. You can put your third finger or fourth finger on the D string and skip over that A string and not worry about that A string. So then E, D chord, we're going to have to come down to the D string. Again, I'm picking up on that last one. A with a C sharp in the bass. This is just another inversion of an A chord. So we have open A, or, and then B minor 7. That's like an A minor shape right here, right? A minor, scoot up 2 frets, bar, take your pinky off, and E, and then right back to the top. Not much space there for you to get to each chord, so you're going to have to be flexible. I'm going to do it one time with my fingers, so it's always going to be thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring. All right, Surfer Girl. Almost the same exact thing. So we're going to start with the D chord here. All the tabs are available online. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have D, thumb, index, middle, ring, right? Or pick up. But it's going to have, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going down, 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 up, up, up. Or it's going to look like this, thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Okay, and every chord is going to be the same. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. All right, so I'll start finger picking it. Here's D, B minor, G, A, major 7, D7, G, make it your second finger, G minor 6, D, B minor, G. That's it. That's basically the whole song. You got a chorus with some different chords, but the most important part that I'm having you do is just work on your finger picking or work on your picking here. So D. I really focus on hitting that root first before I worry about the rest of the chord. Anyways, good luck. I think you can nail it. I believe in you.